Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove ratings from a video. This is especially helpful if you have a video that has a lot more dislikes than likes. Mine is blurred orange, has about 80 likes and about 200 dislikes, and nothing is really going to change that at this point. So I'm just waiting for that to load. Come on. So, go to video manager. Sorry about the wait, but internet is really bad. What? In a sec. I'm oh, this is a video I want. I'm going to edit. Should load in the next second. I'll scroll down, go to advanced settings, and this one here, users can view ratings for video. If you take this off like I have, go to save changes to the video manager. You can just click the link. Then when you go to watch it, it'll say the amount of views, but it won't have likes or dislikes. And it'll say these ratings have been disabled for this video. If you try to like it or anything, you won't be able to. So this is good, it'll stop people disliking the videos, and it'll stop that annoying moment when there's heaps of dislikes. So that's basically it. Like the video if you like this, and I will be making more tutorials soon. So bye.